which applied is therefore declined, and we have arrived on a common consensus that we'll get a report, a response, a consent tomorrow at 9:30, if any. And if you have not arrived on the way forward as far as alternative mechanism of dispute resolution is concerned, we shall proceed with the petition as it was planned. Thank you very much.
Well guided. Thank you so much.
Piamono members ya Morocha igana members be county assembly bare members be committee korukunga labor, manpower and social welfare. Before this committee kinangero or repetitionero retire no mwananchi yokorusie county Kisii County Public Service Board as office. Members ya wabere bagotegerere kinekyo. This is the third day, and we want to tell the public today respondents say Kisii County Public Service Board members ba apply for alternative yogo solve a dispute before the Kisii County. Igo ntuabari bageri guchaka bono paka mambi chinsa isato bagenda baligereringa ngento kibara barakore elinde bategererwe gwetera se mechande bono iga eba facet igento kurukanga alternative mechanism of dispute resolution. Igo ekina a petition yeronegenderete until tomorrow ekerobara to reporting anki progress ko ba make as far as the application that they made is concerned. Igo abantu bamitoko batebinge petition inegenderete, so ekerobara achman bato reporting anyol alternative ende na boto ko batebi the way forward. Area Tanaftali Onkoba omo MC Onyacheki na chairman ya committee ya labor, manpower and social welfare. Intwe woikirabono iga ntutatigo tebanga limo chondiro bo sente kore tegento kieke ndiyo ekine kimbono tuchage togetegerera igo togotegerera one by one pako moelipi ekere ikiro moelera togochikorigereringa ki amagosa babekere naro ositayo tumanya ko report for now ntoko tebanga twarore rigo sose twarirore umanyete ene process guided in the constitution article 159 1C igona into gotochikorigereria atike ye katiba onye bakubwatirichi ke limune katiba goteba well and good.
The chairman has spoken. Thank you.